The thickness on this is like maybe, I'd have to say nearly, it's like 2.5 millimeters wide. It's really a thick belt. But then here to measure it for the length, it's about, let's see here, pulling it, it's nearly 70 millimeters. Alright, so it's a 70 millimeter belt there. And this one here, which we already know is worn and used and stretched and all that, but we'll pull it up over here, and it is let's see, lightly tensioning it, very lightly, is 14 centimeters or 140 millimeters or 5.5 inch long. So if I ever find a belt that's 5.25 inch long or 13.5 millimeters, that'd probably 135 millimeter or 13.5 centimeter, that would probably be correct. Or even a 5-inch belt, if you can't get one, you probably get away with that, putting that in there. So that's what this thing needs. Going to take me a lot longer than the time it took me just to get into this model here to completely use. Well, here, I'll show you this, alright, before I shut all this off, because I just can't do all this stuff. So here is, I use this as Deoxit D5. This is the, it's the red one, and this is the green one, which is the fader stuff, right? It used to be a gold, but they don't sell it anymore. I haven't been able to find it. And then I use Gugon, alright? And I have several cans of, air, right? And then I've got, I'm not going to pick it up, but I've got denatured alcohol over here. Denatured alcohol. I use that with, the industrial size 750, Q-tips, right, for cleaning, right? And that's what I'll do, is I'll spray all that down. And of course we've got the recording bar switch, which is right there. We'll clean that. We'll clean the potentiometers. We'll clean all the switches. We'll clean everything that's in there. And hopefully we'll get the radio to work and the cassette player to play. Because I already know it works. It just wasn't working well enough, right? But I wanted to make this little video showing you that I've got this. I'm going to put this thing back together and possibly make another video later today about this, alright? But like I said, I have this 9600, which is the AKA of the the Sanyo M9994, alright? The 9600 is the same as the 94, okay? Has just the AM and FM and other features. And then of course you have the K model, which is a Sanyo M9994K, which has shortwave, alright? And I've got two of those, and they both work correctly, but they're not in this video. Only one was. The other one works correctly, but has the handle missing, or the handle's not missing. One of the little bits to hold the handle in place is missing. Yeah, sure, I could take the bits out of here and put it on that one, but I'm not going to. Let it be someone else's issue, alright? Or how to repair it. Alright, so I'll let y'all go. I'll shut this all off and so on and so forth. So I'm going to say good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed my way of doing this, alright? Yeah, so I had to go spend some time, take a break and all that, and finish this up later. So bye. Alright, so let me just, I started this one first, so I'll just hit this one here, stop on that one. Bye. Great, that's off. I'll say bye again to this one.